Okay, well, I don't know what it is about the weather this year, but it's the middle of freaking July already. It's been like this nearly every single day since winter quit. And there's some lightning. Wow. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, how are we supposed to go flying this? If it's not like this, it's all muddy everywhere. 5 days this year I've been able to fly. I think five days? Yeah, 5 days, maybe 6. But even then, it was kind of wet out. This is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what's going on with the weather this year, but my God, it's crazy. I'm lucky enough, I'm barely lucky enough to get lawn mowed, but flying is out of the question because of this mess. Every single day, nearly every single day. It is middle of July. Quit already. It's supposed to be summer, for God's sake. I want to go fly. All right, guys. Now you know why I haven't been uploading anything.